How to get NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. After that, you will land to the YouTube TV official website. So what you will need is a YouTube TV base plan which costs $82.99 per month and a NFL Sunday Ticket add-on. On YouTube TV, you will firstly need to log in or sign up, or you can simply scroll to the top and you will see the NFL Sunday Ticket option. YouTube TV is only available in the US right now. At the top right section, click on NFL Sunday Ticket $34.50 per month. Then the plan for YouTube TV will be displayed. There are two options available, which is for NFL Sunday Ticket plus YouTube TV, and the other one is NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube. Now you can simply choose a plan based on your preferences. After that, when selecting add-ons, choose NFL Sunday Ticket. Pick either a season pass, one-time payment or monthly installment plan, 12 payments. Check out and complete your subscription through browser or mobile. So that's all for today. Thank you.